Alright guys, Crystal Base here with an unboxing of Shogun Steel's Samurai Ifrit. As you can see, it's an attack Beyblade. Here's some of the specs. It's a warrior wheel. The element wheel is Samurai. The spin track is W145 and the performance tip is CF. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, so I'll be back when it's unboxed. Alright guys, as you can see here, here's everything it comes with. The launcher, the string, the code, the tool that puts it together, and the fusion wheel, the element, the track, and the tip, and the facebolt. I will be back when I'm done putting it together. Anyways guys, there's Samurai Ifrit, or Ifrit, however you say it, and I'm gonna show a launch of it. Yeah, as you can see, there's Samurai Ifrit, whatever. Yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys on my next unboxing.